Hi, this is Kristin Jamieson with Success Mortgage Partners. Today we're going to be talking about how to finance in renovations to your new home purchase or your existing home refinance. Ultimately, there are two loan programs that we look at when somebody's looking to do a renovation loan. One would be the FHA version, or the Federal Housing Administration's version of the renovation loan, and it's called a 203K loan, or the conventional version of a renovation loan, which is called Fannie Mae's Home Style Renovation Loan. As the lender, we would take the purchase price of the home plus the estimated cost of repairs, and so that's done via a home inspection and getting a general contractor out to the property to review what may need to be done to meet secondary market guidelines. So we would take the purchase price plus the cost of repairs, and then whatever the down payment requirement for that loan program is, that's what we would be lending on. So for easy numbers, let's say the purchase price of the home is $100,000 and the cost of repairs is $20,000. So we would take the purchase price of $100 plus the cost of repairs at $20,000, so $120,000, and then we would lend either for FHA at 96.5% of the $120,000, or for conventional 95% of the $120,000, and that's what our loan would be based on. There are many benefits to a renovation loan, especially as purchase prices and interest rates continue to climb up. A lot of our first-time home buyers are being somewhat priced out of the market. So having a renovation option allows them to look at homes that may be a little bit less priced, but they need some work. So they wouldn't qualify for traditional financing. We would need to do a renovation loan. So they may be able to get the home at a lower price, finance in the renovations to make the home livable or make it theirs, and then they can live happily ever after in their new home. If you or anyone you know has any questions in regards to renovation loans or renovation loan financing, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or my team at 352-242-1535. Thanks and have a great day.